Guys, imagine buying the next Nvidia before it becomes a trillion-dollar giant. Because right now, there's one underrated stock quietly teaming up with OpenAI, and it's already making billion-dollar moves that no one's talking about. Yup, I'm talking about AMD. And if you hold on till the end, you'll see why this partnership could make AMD the biggest winner of the AI revolution. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down real opportunities in the stock market, backed by data, not hype. Today, we're talking about AMD, a company that's not just fighting Nvidia, but possibly outsmarting it. You'll learn, 1. Why AMD's partnership with OpenAI is a game changer. 2. How their AI chips are already reshaping the market. And 3. Why this stock might still be undervalued, even after the recent run-up. Let's dive in. And visual cue, show chart of AMD rising from $166 to $236, slight pullback. Potential target $300. So if history repeats itself, this could be the start of AMD's next big rally. Section 3, the fundamentals behind the hype. Now, let's talk about what makes AMD more than just a hype stock. AI chips, MI300X. These are already being used by Microsoft, Meta, and Oracle. Demand surge. Sold out through 2025. Analysts expect up to $14 billion in AI GPU revenue next year, up from just $2 billion last year. Pricing advantage. AMD chips are cheaper than Nvidia's, meaning more companies want in. Diversification. Data centers, gaming, consumer PCs, AMD is playing multiple games at once. That's how you build stability in a company. It's not just one boom, it's several strong engines running together. Section 4, the bigger picture, valuation and potential. Let's get real. AMD's current market cap is around $350 billion. If they grab even a small slice of Nvidia's AI pie, that could mean a $500 billion valuation. And over the next 3 to 5 years, some analysts see it crossing $1 trillion. Why? Because revenue is up 27% YI, data center sales up 80%, and gross margins over 50%. That's elite-level performance. And here's the kicker, AMD's forward PE ratio is only 27. While Nvidia trades at 45. That means AMD is like buying Nvidia on sale. So if Nvidia's the LeBron James of AI chips, AMD just drafted Steph Curry to the team. And together, they're rewriting the game. Section 5, long-term vision and leadership. Behind all this is Dr. Lisa Su, AMD's CEO, a name you'll want to remember. She's the reason AMD turned from a struggling chip maker into a serious threat to Intel and Nvidia. Her strategy? Expand into data centers, AI, and gaming all at once. And it's paying off. She's not chasing trends, she's building empires. Now, before we wrap up, there's one small detail most investors are missing about this deal. AMD issued warrants for 160 million shares to OpenAI. That's right. OpenAI now has a direct stake in AMD's success. That's not just business. That's a partnership tied to performance. So if AMD wins, OpenAI wins too. And when two AI giants are aligned like that, you already know where the smart money's going. So what do you think? Can AMD actually become a trillion-dollar AI powerhouse? Drop your thoughts below. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video, because next week, we're doing a full Nvidia versus AMD breakdown to see which one deserves your money right now. This is Wealthery AI, helping you understand the markets without the Wall Street noise. Stay sharp, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.